What's good with y'all? Y'all can see Big Meech in the background, as you can tell by the thumbnail. That's what this video about. Another vlog from the house, but man, I know ain't nothing going on. Still waiting on transmission. I got a vlog coming with DJ soon, showing y'all what went wrong. We have found the problem, and it was some stuff broken in there. It needed some better parts in it, but that's alright. Cause DJ over at Showtime Transmissions. His information is in the description and at the bottom of the screen right now. Give him a call. I know some of y'all already been hitting him up. Some of y'all done got some work done. Y'all know he does amazing work. So he got it fixed. He working on it. Like I said, I broke some stuff, but it's all good. So the transmission coming back for the Camaro. It's still sitting up in the garage right there. So this is a little update from the house. Now this video is about my baby, Big Meech. I need y'all help. Seriously, I need y'all help. I'm gonna read every comment, and I'm pretty much talking about my plans. Cause I always flip flop on my bills and stuff. So that's enough of that. Let's get into the video. Okay, for people that don't know, or maybe just found out about me within the last 3 years or something like that, and then backtrack, or look into my background and all that, you probably don't know about this car or what this car means to me. But me and this car got a history. This is my car, Big Meech. I love big bodies, man. Big bodies my first love. When I built the box Chevy, everybody wasn't doing it. Now it's not uncommon to see big cars at the track. Trust me, when I was doing it, everybody wasn't building box Chevy because I would get asked all the time, why you build such a big car? Cause this is not my first one. My first one I had, YouTube wasn't even around then. So which was 2006, somewhere up in there. It got stole. So yeah, but YouTube went around, all that. I've been loving these cars for a long time. So this Big Meech, I sold this car, and after 7 years it made its way back to me. After 7 years, and I will never sell it again. Trust me, it won't never go away again. So y'all, I want to talk to y'all and show y'all again. It's just sitting. I got stuff in it. These are car parts. I need to open the trunk. Not the trunk, the hood. I'm scared spiders might be in here, and I don't mess with spiders. Sorry, I just don't. But it's crazy. When I saw this car, it's like I seen the ghost, man. The interior, I mean, it's just like I left it, except this right here fixed. But yeah, just like I left it. And I didn't have this hood on here. I had a cowl hood that actually started from the front. This coming off, man. I said it before. I don't really like that. That's very ugly to me, but so yeah, let me pop this hood. Hope I don't get bit for nothing. Spider webs. God, it's crazy. Man, if y'all been following the channel, y'all know it's like you seen the ghost. Like I said, I had a TV up there, but that's gone. But nah, seriously, I do need y'all help. That's why I'm making this video, cause I want to talk about the plans, what the plans were, and what I should do. Cause this not just, honest to God, this is the truth. It's not just my car. I feel like it's a car for the channel too, cause everything, believe it or not, whether you believe it or not, everything I decide to do on a build does involve you all. And that's honest to God true. Cause this thing heavy. I'm about to tear my camera up. Okay, so now the original plans for this car, as you can see, old MSD box. I used to have a lot of electronics over there, all that stuff gone. That's still my line lock, same line lock I had. But for the most part, this is it. Now, what I need y'all help is, what direction do y'all think I should go with this car? Now, originally, I'm not gonna lie, I'm not a big fan of race cars. I'm not. I like true street cars, and I like to really drive them, be able to drive them and enjoy them. But this, my baby, it has to be the fastest out of everything I own. Y'all know I got the Turbo Camaro. We got Cheapskate, which is fairly budget. And then we got Big Meech. Big Meech is the biggest, the heaviest, and everything. I know that, but it has to be the fast. Now, originally, to be completely honest, I've been getting a lot of questions asking when is Big Meech coming. The reason I haven't started on this car, cause my plans of what I was gonna do to it is gonna involve a lot of money, and everything gonna have to be shut down. I ain't want to be doing no upgrades to the Camaro, no new engine for not Big Meech, for Cheapskate. So I'm doing all of that this year first. But now I'm kind of rethinking what I had planned. I was gonna do like if you familiar with class racing, I was gonna pretty much put like a X275 drivetrain in this big body right here. Yes, seriously, I was gonna put an X275 drivetrain. Originally I was looking into getting one built, and then I was gonna see if I could get with one of the racers, and maybe somebody won't sell the drivetrain out their car, and put an X275 twin turbo motor in this car. So, and this is just serious. Like, this is what I was gonna do. Man, real deal, everything, suspension, and that stuff still gonna get done, the suspension wise. But I was gonna put X275 motor in it, keep the interior in it, take the passenger seat out, one Kirky seat over there, the driver's side, back seat stays in it, mop the windows out even darker, and wheels, I'm still gonna do wheels no matter what. 15s on the back, 17s on the front. And yeah, man, we're gonna have 2 turbos, but the car was still gonna look like this. Flat hood and all, if I could fit it up under there. Car was still gonna look like this. But if you know X275, then you know what them motors capable of, and you really could get go in the 3s with an X275 setup if the car is the right weight and set up right. But I figure I could have got this car at the weight I was gonna run it at. I probably with a good X275 motor, I probably could have got it to definitely knock out some mid 4s easily. That would have been great hustle in this big old car. They're not as heavy as people think. I don't know. If you don't know, don't get fooled by people saying these cars heavy. These cars are not as heavy as you think. Believe me, especially a hard top. Nowhere near as heavy as what you think. You can get them pretty light if you know what to do. The half vinyl is the heaviest one, but you can get them pretty light if you know what to do. But now, the thing with that is, turbos allow you to drive anywhere and stuff and all that good stuff, but I don't know if I want to go quite that extreme with this car. I was going to do it, grudge race it for 1 year, and then pull the motor, show the motor, reveal everything, what it was, and pull it and sell it and put it back on the street full time. I was gonna drive it anyway. I was gonna drive it on the street. I was gonna cruise it. But I know with that hot of a setup, I'm still gonna be kind of limited. And I love race cars, but it's so hard for me to do a straight race car. I can't do it. I can't even make myself do it. So now what I need y'all help is, what do y'all think I should do? What direction should I go with this car? Like, what would y'all like to see, honestly? Small block, big block? Nah, it's gonna have to be big block, probably. 9 times out of 10, it gotta be big block, cause that's why I got these vehicles. And I'm probably gonna have another one coming, sitting right here soon. I'm not gonna say nothing about that, but I'm probably gonna have a new one coming too, right here beside it. But what y'all think I should do with this car? Like, I mean, as far as the build, what would y'all like to see? Cause I got an LS car. People kept saying, get an LS. I got the Camaro, it's LS. I got a boosted car, Cheapskate, Gen 1 small block. Probably gonna do nitrous on it. And man, I'm about to get attacked by some flying insect. But so I don't know. I really do need y'all help. But this is it. We got plenty of room to play with. Like I said, I'm kind of leaning away. I'm trying to set the hood to y'all. I'm kind of leaning away from the X275 setup car. I know, man. I'm pretty day like today. Yeah, I got other ones to drive, but I'll be wanting to get in this car and really drive this car. So I really do need y'all help. Still got the 8.5 in it that I built. Everything is up underneath. And If you want these are for sale, man. If you're in Georgia or if you're in South Carolina somewhere, cause I travel everywhere, and you want these, they are for sale, man. They 10-inch wheels, they're aluminum. They some nice wheels, but I just know I'm not gonna use them. So if you want to buy them, drop a comment below, man. I let you get them cheap, like probably $100 cheap, something like that. But yeah, it's it, man. I just need to know what to do. Oh, and another question I got for y'all. Well, I need y'all help on something else. This car is known just for this color and all that. And originally I was gonna go back with the color, cause for one, I like it. It's a beautiful color. It's a pearl paint. It's lime gold. You can see it good too. It got a gold base coat with a lime overlay. So I'm not changing the front and back. I like it like this. I like to be different. But the hood's coming off before anybody, like I said, say something. The hood coming off, flat hood. Should I keep it the same color and keep it OG Big Meech, or should I change the color on it? But I just want suggestions. What would y'all like to see done with this car as far as a build? And should it go, man, what is hold on, I'm getting attacked, man. Y'all don't understand. But yeah, I really need y'all help. That's why I said it's just a quick update on Big Meech, what should be done. And yeah, please drop comments below. Update on the Camaro coming. I'm about to get back started on Cheapskate. We got a plan on what I'm gonna do for a motor, so that's gonna be coming. And yeah, drop comments below. I'm gonna read everything, and I want to know what needs to be done or what y'all like to see done as far as building Big Meech. Appreciate everybody watching the videos and all of that. Like, share, subscribe. It really helps. And I'm out. Oh yeah, I'm back, guys. My bad. But I almost forgot. Want to throw this in there. This is for sale. If you know, and I got a good price on it, cause I'm upgrading my equipment. I do it yearly. This been real good to me. Y'all seen a lot of videos shot on this, so anybody want to get into YouTube or videography and everything, amazing camera. I bought this brand new. It already has the metal bones, speed booster adapter. That's a $700 piece right there. It's a little bit thin piece. I just did an equipment video too on how much it cost me to film drag racing videos, so you can watch that. You know exactly how much it cost. But yeah, I take $1,000 for it if anybody want it. It shoots 4K 1080 super slow, true slow motion 1082. This junk shoot cinematic stuff. I done did music videos for a lot of rappers with this. Everything. A1, this thing A1. You just need your Canon lens, or you can run a Panasonic lens. I like the Canon glass, and you good to go. But the camera works great. There's nothing wrong with it. Oh, there is one thing wrong with it. For some reason, and this happened 4 months ago, so it's not hindering performance. Hold on, y'all. Is the touch function went away for some reason. So you see, it doesn't respond to touch the screen, but it don't hinder navigation. So you still can change the settings and everything. So I just want to throw this in that video. Maybe I would love for one of the subscribers to have it. Somebody starting a YouTube channel and want to up their quality or something like that. I will ship it too. I have the original box for both the camera and the speed booster adapter. Like I said, I bought this camera brand new as soon as it released, cause it was the first DSLR style camera to shoot 4K, and I bought it to mainly do music videos in 4K. But yeah, that's that. $1,000. You want it? Drop a comment. I will ship, or just get with me through email and we'll get it together. But this is the end of the video. Hope y'all enjoyed it, and now I'm out.